To the middle, number 24. Natapikan dito, number 27.
Esguerra,
Bitlays, basket and one. Esguerra. Pass
to number 35.
one floater shot. Basket is good. Castillo. And agawan.
Side
This step. Road kumabila. Pasok yan. Pass break here, number
23.
Bumangga, create space and a bucket for two. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die semifinals ng Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng CAR at Region 3. And isa jump ball. And first ball possession para sa CAR. De Vera tuloy-tuloy, off the window, won't go. And a rebound para sa koponan ng Region 3. Crosses the mid lane. Number 27. And stop. Bounce pass to number 19. Holds the ball. Pass on the inside. 6. Fakes fire class. First blood. And here's CAR. And launches on 3. Off target. Rebound here. Number 4 holds the ball. Pass it to number 27. Crosses the mid lane between the legs, dribble. And he's still dribbling the ball. And here, he spins, fires, and a bucket. Back to. And here's Region 3. Esguerra, crossover, step back for 3. Off the target. Nagkatapikan. Nakuha ng Region 3. Pass to number 35. Water shot. Bucket is good. Castillo. And De Vera setting the play. And drives, stops, pass to the middle, number 24. Natapikan dito, number 27, Esguerra, binit-bit lays, basket and one. Orteza kinasa sa gilid. Court number 9, pull up 3, off the mark, rebound here, Season, step back for 3, off mark, the follow-up shot and the lace, no good. Battle for the rebound, still nakuha pa rin. Season again for 3. Bang! This backdoor inbound. Pass inside. Kicks. Reverse layup. Perfect execute. And agawan. Side step. Road kumabila. Pasok yan. Dahil side step. And here you go. Number 5. Season. Pass on the inside. Supal pa lang inabot. Recover fake. Drives. Fourth off the glass. Basket is good. And here's Region Cordillera region. And here's number 28, Season, pull-up jumper. Bucket is good. Giyaw, tuloy-tuloy. Oh, nag-boss. Grabe naman. Ace ang tawag dun. And setting the play here, number 14. Pass to number 5. Oh, Anspo ang tawag. Oh, for the inbound here, number 15. And a drives, corner pass. Fakes, spins, kicks out, fakes. Pass on the inside, fakes, basket and one. And one-on-one, whoop. Oh, no basket, that's the end. And here you go, second quarter, number 10. And nakatapikan, naagaw. Lays. Bucket is good. Number 80. De Vera. Pass to the corner. Stop. Pull up jet 3. Bang! 3 po. And the long pass. Number 30. Binit-bit Espirito. De Vera. To number 19. Setting the play. To number 23. Launches on 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Number 26. Number 36. Number 30, that's Espiritu, sorry. Number 18 here. And attack, side step. Pass to, pinasan ng kalaban. And a pass break here. Number 23, Bumangga. Create space and a bucket for... And number 10 here. To number 18. To number 19. And to number 10. Corner pass, fakes, and a drive, side step, bounce in the inside, Espiritu, number, who's in Espiritu, dribbling the ball, pass to number 10, fires on 3, off the mark, rebound here, for De Vera. Number 18, Darden. Oops, supalpal. The inbound, holding the ball. Corner, floater off the glass. Baget is good. Number 19. And oops. Oops. And number 19 here. Pass to number 10. He spins and drives. Pull up jumper free throw area. Oh, follow up shot and good for two. To the corner. Here's number 14. For Carl launches on 3. Bang! Bulls. Oh, Sagyo naagawan. 2-on-1. Oh, tinakbordan niya. Oh, tinuro. So, a fake slap pass. Oops. Floater. Off target. Rebound. Still. Kicks out. Season for 3. Still rebound Season. Reverse layup. And recover. And here's Giyaw. Natapikan mula sa likod. And here's number 24. Bounce pass. Down to 2. 2-point lead para sa Region 3. Baseball pass here. And drives. Floater. Back to 4 ang Kalamangan. Corner pass. Holding the ball. Pass to the middle. Number 24. Pass on the inside. Picks, clutch. Fire off the window. Baget is good. Season. And here's Region 3. Kapito. Oops. Naagawan. 1 versus 2. Pass. Picks, clutch. Pinapasa pa. And a bounce pass. Nauna na. Supal pa lang inabot. And pass to the corner. Floater shot. Uy, may foul. And 35-39. 4-point lead para sa Region 3. Season here. Drives. Lays. And down to 2. Spin move. Number 15. Bounce pass. Number 19. Drives. Side step. So palpal. And oops. That's the end of and drives. Kicks out number 10. Drives. Lays. Basket and 1. And number 10. Oh! Tumalsik. And crosses the midday. Number 11. Side step. Nakalusot. De Vera nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Naagawan. And here's Esguera. Esguera. Tuloy-tuloy. May foul. Bounce pass. Oy, sakto-sakto. Pasok yan. And here's Carr. Number 19. Setting the play. To Season. 4-3. Short. And number 11. Nakalusot. Side step. Lays. Bagat is good. Spins. Bumalik. Fires. Bagat is good. And pass back. Corner 3. Bang! Season 3. Looking for the receiver here. Pass to the middle. Sexto. Perfect execute. Oh, number 11. Number 10. Fires piece. Corner pass. Fires on 3. Bang! 3. And sumigsag. Umatake. Espiritu Supalpal mula sa likod. Sigson. Oh! Sigson nakalusot. Number 15. Bumalik. Pass to the middle. Bounce pass. Pass on the inside. Espiritu. And here's number 11 to number 24. Picks. Spins. Nakalusot off the window. Baget is good. And fourth quarter action here. Number 10 tuloy-tuloy. Oh, the follow-up shot by number 24 here. Dribbling the ball. Corner pass. Season. Creating some space. Season drives. Lays. Season baget for 2. Naagaw. Pass. Oops. Oh, basket interference. That's count for 2. Rebound. Carr. Picks. Number 28. Season for 3. Bang! Season 3. And the fast break here. Lays. Nabawian ulit. Good. 6 minutes, 28 seconds left. On the last final quarter, launches 2. Bucket is good. Tie game tayo mga idol. And number 6 to number 27. And number 11 here dribbling, launches on 3. Bang! 3-point. And here's Car Region. Number 19, number 14 here. Stops. Middle pass. Corner. Attacks. Pull up J. Off target. Battle for the rebound. 34, number 28 there. Sa gitna. Umatake. May foul. Basket and one. And for the tie. Tie game. Behind the back pass. Pinabitin. Pasok yan. And 2-point lead para sa Region 3. And holding the ball. Pass to the middle. Number 19 fix. Pass on the inside na Agawan. And a pass break here. Number 2 Gia. Oh, binitin. Oh, supalpal. Put back of the glass. Bucket for 2. Ramirez. Pass on the inside. Pass to the middle. Number 19, De Leon. De Leon drives, nakalusot, lays, bucket is good, down to 2. And here's number 2, Giyaw. Creating some space. Drives, lays to Palpal. For the inbound here, number 15. And 1 minute 30 seconds. Fires no good. Number 10. A chance to tie the game or to lead the game. And here's Carr. Number 24. Pass to the middle. Wide open for 3. Off the target. And a pass break here. And number 11 lays, too strong, tip in! And back 15 seconds on the shot clock for the inbound. Pass on the inside, too strong. And here you go. Team Pampanga, binit-bit lays, too strong. Rebound again there, lays. And number 24 always there. And 6-point lead. And here's Car Region. Cross pass. Pinasahan doon. Oops. Ooh. Oops. Offensive foul. And 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shoot. 18 seconds shot clock ha. Pals. Oops. Upalpal. Oops. Ayun. Congratulations, Region 3, for winning the game. Pasok sa finals.